Speaking of incredible, this is really fantastic news as this two amazing organizations, MedWish and Medworks, are now one. They have just recently joined forces in the last 6 months or so. And the impact of these two nonprofits working together now will be felt all over Cleveland, Northeast Ohio, and beyond, that's for sure. And this weekend, Medworks' annual flagship dental clinic is taking place at Cleveland's Huntington Convention Center, right in the heart of downtown Cleveland. And with us to share more on all of this is my friend, Dr. Roger Hess, who is the dental director with Medworks. It is so good to see you.
So good to see you. Thank you.
We met years ago at a Cavs game, and how about those Cavs?
Unbelievable. I'm shocked to see. I guess I'm not shocked. What a wonderful time they're having. 9-0. You just said this morning. Fantastic.
It's amazing.
Very excited. I can't wait to go now.
I know, that's right.
Yeah.
Well, you're very busy tomorrow, so I don't know if you can go.
I am.
For 2 days, and we always have you on the show, you do free dental work. And it's amazing for anyone. They just can show up tomorrow at the Huntington Convention Center.
And Saturday.
Or Saturday, too.
Yeah.
Tell us some of the things that you guys will be offering as far as dental care goes.
Okay, sure. So, as in the past, we keep expanding each year more services. So most importantly, we're doing cleanings and screenings and preventative health care, right, for adults and children. You do sealants on kids. You help prevent decay in the future.
And cavities, right?
Cavities, yes.
Yeah.
And then people that come in pain or have abscesses, infections, we can take care of those by doing extractions. Several years ago, we've added fillings, which is one of the most desired services that we provide. So we're taking care of all those cavities and doing fillings. We've also added the ability to, if someone loses a front couple of teeth and they you know, you can't go out in public, you're ashamed, so we can basically make a flipper.
They don't even want to get a job because they're a little self-conscious, but really, literally, you could be missing your front teeth, and you guys can...
We'll make them what's called a flipper. It's like a temporary, but it services them so well, and it looks great, and they get it the next day, same day, next day.
Amazing.
So it is amazing. And a lot of cleanings that we do. I think last year we did 240 cleanings in the 2 days. And then I'm really excited to announce, really for the first time that we're announcing this, that through a grant through the county, we were able to do full dentures. It's a pilot, so we have very limited capacity. So we're going to do our best to get to everybody we can.
Right.
But people are going to come in. We often get a call, I lost my dentures. They broke. I haven't had them in years. You know, can you help? And in the past, we didn't have the technology. Well, now we do. And we're going to be able to make dentures for people that same day or the next day. So a company's coming out this afternoon. We'll be at the convention center training about 8 dentists on how to do it, and we're going to start it tomorrow. I'm so excited about this new edition.
I mean, truly, what is so incredible about this is you are all volunteers, about 700 volunteers, and we're talking dentists and oral surgeons as you are, and your helpers, your nurses and staff members, all volunteering for these couple of days, and the supplies are all taken care of. Again, here's the information. You don't need an identification. You don't need an insurance card. None of that is required, and you just show up. Take your kids. They can do sealants and teeth cleanings for free. Again, tomorrow and Saturday. And then, of course, with MedWish and MedWorks together now, you guys are also doing just health screenings and vaccinations and all kinds of things. Talk about that on the health side, too, because that's all free, and that's all happening the next 2 days.
Sure, yeah. We all know that without oral health, you can't have general health, right? So we wanted to make this kind of more of a all health kind of thing for people that can come and spend the day and get everything taken care of. So we have portable vans are coming from UH and Cleveland Clinic and Metro. We're doing mammograms there. There's going to be women's health. We're doing vision screenings, dermatology screenings, audiology screenings. I'm sure I'm missing something.
For hearing, I mean, you meant really head to toe. You guys are helping people. It's amazing. And I know over last year, it was equated to about over $800,000 in free medical care, dental care. I mean, you are taking care of Cleveland's own, which is just amazing. And this is a resource that a lot of people sometimes put, especially the dental stuff or any health screenings, on the back burner.
It's hard. Getting dental care is difficult. Oftentimes, there's some restraint to services in some places. So this gives that opportunity. And the other thing we do, which we've talked about before, is that navigation afterwards, right? So what do they do on Monday and Tuesday of next week, right? So we have an incredible navigation team, because we all know how difficult it is to do that on your own. Where do you go? How do you get services for a reduced fee or something? So the navigators are great. So these screenings are so helpful, because it may not be urgent Friday or Saturday, but it may be important over the next couple of weeks.
Amen.
So, let's
Incredible.
get them care that they need moving forward.
Thank you for all that you do.
So
just show up tomorrow and, of course, on Saturday. For more information on these two amazing organizations and the free dental clinic and health clinic, which starts again tomorrow, go to fox8.com. Thank you, Dr. Roger Hess.
Thank you.
Appreciate everything that you do.
Thank you so much for having us, and thank you for getting the word out for everybody.
You got it.
Really
Check it
appreciate
out. All right,
Thank
we
you.
will be right back. Stay close.